to stand.
Many thanks for joining us.
Nigerians are very wicked. Mike, I'm telling you, Nigerians. Pintayako tried the same thing. At the end of the day, he told them before he left that particular court that Nnamdi Kanu is a higher reality.
What do you think would be?
Are you expecting him to join? Jail him! Jail him! That's what I'm saying. I'm not. That's what I'm saying. Jail him!
To stand.
Show me, my Lord, you are conducting their case for them. You are the one running their case for them. Let them show me that the prosecution, show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down.
You have the right to appeal after...
No, my Lord, this is a perversion of the cause of justice. This is not law. It is not law.
Can you excuse me?
My Lord, I cannot excuse nullity and illegality.
Can you let him
It's not possible. It is not possible, my Lord. You must show me where the Constitution says you have the right to waive my written address. You must show me. Show me. Show me where it says so. Show me. Show me where it says so.
Excuse him.
Is that why you brought the cameras? Is that why you brought them today?
Please.
You didn't bring it before. You brought it today.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. Show me.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. I said, show me. Show me. Show me.
Get the microphone from him.
No, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. I said, leave it. It's a court of law. I'm under trial. I'm under trial and I have to speak. I'm under trial and I have to speak. Listen to me. Listen to me, please. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. And I must address the court. Wait. No, listen to me. Please. The judge must listen to me. No. Wait. Wait. I'm asking a very simple question. No. Wait. Please. Look, this is Supreme Court. Wait, hold on. This is Supreme Court here. Hold on a second. Hold on. I said hold on. This is not a court of law. It's not a court of law. What you're doing is not law. You don't know the law. Show me. I said show me where you have the right to waive my right to final address. Show me. It's what the Constitution says. Show me. Show me. You cannot show me. You cannot show me. You cannot show me because you don't know the law. You can't show me. Wait, hold on a second. Don't touch me. Don't you dare touch me. People who don't know law, show me where it says you can waive my right. Show me the place I'm asking you. Show me. Show me. Show me. Which law says you can try me an unwritten law? Show me. You cannot show me. And you're a judge. You claim you're a judge. You don't know law. You don't know law. Nonsense. Where is the final written address? Where is it? Which law gave you the right to waive my final written address? Which law gave you that right? Nonsense. You think I'm trying this with illiterates and you try with me? You are mad. What's this one doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Ask me what are you doing here? This is the idiot that attacked me. This is the fool that attacked me. That's the idiot that attacked me. That's the fool. Don't touch me. Don't push me. I'm going, don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I said, don't touch me. Don't. Smart people. You don't know law. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final address. Show me the law. Show me the law. I want to show me the law. You don't know law. Let it be on record. Any judgment in this court is rubbish.
How would you describe the outbursts at the courtroom? I mean, Kanu's outbursts. How would you describe it?
Very good.
Very good.
Fantastic.
In the courtroom.
What is the courtroom? Is that a courtroom?
Shouting.
A Sharia arranged Fulani courtroom.
Shouting in the courtroom.
What is the shouting? Is there any shouting here?
Did you watch the video?
I don't need. Or is it? Well, or you don't know what happened during the Pintayako days?
That wasn't his first time of doing that.
No, that's what I'm saying now. Didn't you know what happened during Peter Yanko days?
Are you justifying what he did?
100%.
100%.
100%.
They're not looking at the outcome.
He's defending himself. He defended himself.
Okay.
He's defending himself. He asked a question. He asked the government prosecuting judge, Oga, where is this? He did not answer. He turned to the presiding judge, Oga, where is this? Where is this? Where is it? He did not answer.
But they told him to open defense.
Why? No, that's the problem. That's the question now. Bros,
He failed to do it many times.
bros, let me tell you. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Bros, let me tell you. What is opening defense? What defense? Do you know there are motions that were submitted that Omotosho has not treated before subjecting Nnamdi Kanu to open defense? He has not treated those motions and application submitted in the court. Nobody talks about that. The kangaroo Nigerian media does not talk about that. The envelope Nigerian media does not talk about that. How many of them have come and asked questions or asked Omotosho, the judiciary, what of those motions that were submitted that Omotosho would have ruled before saying that Nnamdi Kanu forcefully must defend himself in a law that does not exist? Nigerians are very wicked. Mike, I'm telling you, Nigerians, they either have baked or they don't fact check. Binta Yako tried the same thing. At the end of the day, he told them before he left that particular court that Nnamdi Kanu is a higher reality. Okay, go and mark. I can never forget. Go and mark that word. I told you, Mike, Omotosho came like, what do you call it? Is it a dove? I didn't know how the Bible described it. The gentleman, I don't know how they pampered it in the wolf skin. That's what they put it. You know, it was coming. Omotosho, coming. It has come. And I told you.
You enjoyed him at some point.
No, yes, Mike, yes. Yes, when he started. Yes, at the point I reported to you too. Yeah. I reported to you that this guy, statement, has started changing manipulation because he said speedy trial before the recess, before the entire structure goes on recess, that I will pass judgment. Now I started discovering some things. I said, okay, Nigeria has started happening within that space. Nigerian factor. Mike, I know the beginning of this thing to a point. I know that Nnamdi Kanu have never reacted to Omotosho adjournment or whatever he did now. Nobody should question that. Court of content. He has not reacted. Come mark it. You know, he was waiting. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. That's what we are hearing. Yes, my lord. Nnamdi Kanu never reacted. And he came to this point when he wanted. Now remember that this guy is having hostilities in DSS custody. Nobody talks about that one. On every day and night, Fulani DSS members, they beat him up. They deprive him access to his case file. And when that case file finally got to him, he went through it. After going through it, he said, I don't need wicked them and all that for now until Omotosho proves to me. Okay, is it not what you signed? Is it not your constitution? Is there anything different? The law you are using to try me is a repealed one. I don't understand this thing. And he asked him in the court twice. And Omotosho did not answer any word. He asked the federal government prosecutor more than 10 times. He did not answer. Is that not, don't even defend yourself. Show me where it is written in the law. Just show me. I will defend myself now in 2 minutes time. That's what Kanu said. He just said, give me to tomorrow. And on the spot, I will defend myself. That is, Omotosho is actually looking for something. And I can tell you, the same thing. He is the one that caused crisis in River State. The same Omotosho. And the people that brought him know why they brought him. This is a matter. Lawyers, SARS have warned them against. People from other countries have come and warned Nigeria over this issue. Some people that don't understand Supreme Court ruling on this issue. Nnamdi Kanu has been there for 2,000 days. Like, it's not easy. It's not easy. And you can see, let him pronounce whatever. Let us see where he is going to import his own doctrine of necessity outside the law to imprison Nnamdi Kanu. If it is not what they told him, but let me tell you, this guy is playing with what he doesn't know. Nigeria now, when they were killing, chopping, swallowing human beings up and down, going to villages and be killing people, it looks as if nobody is watching them.
Coming back to you, how would you describe Kanu's outburst? Was this a calculated move to draw the attention of the international community or the public to his case?
Well, I think it borders on his personality. Because if you observe him, if you check his antecedents, you will see that anytime he appears in court, these are the things you see with him. You understand?
Well, recently he wrote a letter to Donald Trump on the genocide that is going on in Nigeria.
Although he did not write any letter about genocide. Mike, please. He did not write any letter about genocide.
So what did he write?
But he elected Donald Trump.
True what?
That's what I'm saying. That's what is going on. Oh, about him first. About him first, so that you be aware about him.
Did you read it very well? What is it? You have to check it.
I read it. I read the other side. It talked about how the people were singing hymns. They open fire. They came and open fire. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
The genocide issue, that's Trump's threat, right? Okay. Was his move a calculated one to draw?
Yes, I think it's in a way. Aside from, I look at it in a way as a calculated move to gain, the attention of the West. You understand? But you must also understand that this is somebody who, is an aggrieved person. He lost his parents, his both parents, and we all know what happened, what transpired. You understand, that led to the death of his parents. You understand? This was somebody who was kidnapped from Kenya, brought to Nigeria. And we saw, that he's been in detention for more than 4 years. You understand? The reason I'm not comfortable with some of the decisions he has taken. You understand? The reason he has decided not to talk, not to open his case, is I cannot really explain. Maybe there is something he knows that we do not know. You understand? And we are yet to see what will play out. But frankly speaking, if you ask me, like I will always say, we have dwelled on this for so long. Now we have a pressing issue at hand. You understand? Borders on genocide. You understand? and now it has gotten the international attention. You understand? And we have seen criminals in this country working freely. I would prefer a political solution for this man. You understand? Doing that will even give the president, but then I can bet you the politicians in the southeast, if you look at the entire thing, the way it's playing out, it looks as if they are the one keeping Nnamdi Kanu. You understand? Because the release of Nnamdi Kanu may not go down well with most politicians in the southeast. So they are looking at a way to secure their political career. You understand? And they feel leaving this guy, freeing this guy may not go down. But the president has been described as a master strategist. He should not allow the politicians in the east to make him keep this man. He can score a very good political point by, having a political solution, releasing Nnamdi Kanu. You understand? I can tell you, see, the defection is not enough to make him, have his way in the southeast during the 2027 election. But releasing Nnamdi Kanu, you understand, we give the Igbo man that sense of we are one. You understand? This man is beginning to look at it from that angle.
An APC chieftain, Joe Igbo, said what happened shows that Kanu is overrated. And apart from that, he's not sounding like normal human being again.
It's a freedom fighter. Do you expect him to sound like that man called Joe Igbo?
What do you think would be the
No, are you expecting Kanu to sound like Joe Igbo?
What do you think would be?
Are you expecting him to join? Tell him! Tell him! That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Tell him! Show me if you're not a shop. Tell him!
Chukwuemeka Nnadi says, Oyeze, your talk brings tears in my eyes today.
Yes. You know why?
Oyeze talk brings tears in my eyes today.
You know why?
Nnamdi.
You know why? I'm telling you, you know why?
Why?
Dude.
Maybe because you are so emotional about.
No, I'm not emotional, though. I'm not emotional. Because when I look at Nnamdi Kanu, I see the entire race in bondage. I don't see any governor there. I don't see any senator there. I don't see anybody there. And Nnamdi Kanu, what America is trying to do today started from the cry of Nnamdi Kanu of many years. Nobody can say it's not correct. When Nigeria, when the world have not even have it in their thoughts that many people are being killed. Look at Nigerian government mesmerizing themselves and the international community. They've never denied that people are not being killed. What they said, Muslims too are being killed. You see, Nigeria, Muslims too are being killed. But this is what Nnamdi Kanu was trying to alert the whole world then. How many years ago now? They connived and brought him there. The man is there. The whole world is watching. We are looking at what will happen. There's nowhere, anywhere in the world, self-determination is a crime.
Moki Great says releasing terrorists from jail and keeping the guy inside jail not fair at all.
Okay. No, boss. I don't know who is talking. I'm not interested. Mike, I'm not here to be feasted on anybody's opinion. I'm telling you, even Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I cannot feast on his opinion. I listen to one of my men when he speaks. I listen. Go and listen to Novo decision on Nigeria today. And that's where I belong. That's the consciousness I belong.
Michael, we need to tell ourselves the truth. Nigeria government is not trying at all concerning Nnamdi Kanu. Mookie Great on this again.
That is it. Seriously, you see, Nigeria is a union, it's a multinational country. People from different, ethnic groups came together and decided that we should live together. But if you see the level of injustice that is meted on a particular tribe, I can tell you it has shown that You know, and this thing has been over the years. The Igbo people have suffered this over the years. You understand? And frankly speaking, it is. And these same people said, okay, since it is like this, we want to go now. You don't want us to go. And you don't treat us fairly. You understand? It doesn't make sense. So we want a society where there will be equity, justice, and fairness. You understand? Irrespective of wherever you came from. Do you know that the criminals, those criminals that were granted pardon, over 90 of them are drug barons, the crime they committed. Do you know what drug is doing to the entire North? The reason for this terrorism was because of drugs. If you go to the North, virtually every young man is on drugs. You understand? And these are people that are freed. They will go back to the society and cause more problem in the society, because I don't see them leaving the business they were doing that took them to prison in the first place. You understand? So we must begin to look at things. This status quo that we maintain is not working. It's not working. We must, we must restructure the entire thing. You understand? So that's my opinion.
City Stand.